Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yes, it's still hump day Wednesday, baby. It's still hump day Wednesday, and I got this video that I want to put up. Now listen, before I get started with this video, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now, because you already know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. Thank you everybody for watching my last video. I really appreciate it. I'm on my way to 20K. I'm on my way to 20K. I'm on my way to 20K. Yes. All right, y'all. Let's get started with this video. Now listen. Let me just take a deep breath on this one. So I was scrolling on Twitter and I came upon this post by Megan James. Now, Megan James, one of the girls off the Bad Girls Club. If y'all know Megan James, she said she was Obama's niece and she was beating up everybody in the house. Like, Megan could fight. Like, she beat up 2 girls at one time. So if y'all know who I'm talking about, Megan James, that's her real name. They just called her, her name. They didn't have a nickname for her in the house. Her name was just Megan. I didn't know her last name was James until, I don't know. I ran across her on social media a long time ago. And I'm like, oh, her last name James. Okay, cool. So in her Twitter post, she has put up what narcissist red flags are. Now listen to me. Listen to me before I get into this tea, y'all. In the back of my mind, I always believed, and this is my opinion, Armand had a narcissist personality. Now listen to me. I recently just started to figure out what narcissist is. I didn't even know what that was. People was throwing that word around. I didn't know what that was until I started to do a little research on what a narcissist is. Now, listen, once you start doing research on what a narcissist is, it's different levels to a narcissist. I put up a whole video about how I found out that I was dating a narcissist because he checked out like all the things on the list, like most of them. He checked. It was a check. So, narcissist, this word has been thrown around for a couple years now. And to be honest, I believe that it's different levels to a narcissist. Okay? So, I'm just going to say, I feel like Armand has a narcissist personality. Most men that, I'm not going to say most, but most men that have money, we used to just call them, they egotistical, or they just got a big ego. But now they didn't came up with a whole word for these men. They didn't come up with a whole word. So listen, I'm going to read off some things that Megan said are red flags in a narcissist. Now, before I do this, in my comments, a couple of women have already pointed out that Armand is a narcissist. When they said that, like 2 or 3 women said that, I used to be like, ooh wee. How did y'all see that? Only certain women would see that because they either studied it, they found out what a narcissist is, and they was dating one, married to one, whatever. So only certain women would know that. Again, when I got on my story and told when I got on my a vlog or a video, did a video a little while ago and described about somebody I was dating, somebody came in the comments be like, oh, he sound like a narcissist. And I'm like, what is that? You know, at that point, I didn't even care. I didn't look it up or nothing. But for some reason, with my last guy that I talked to, I started looking and seeing what a narcissist was. Because what is this? You know what I'm saying? What is this? So anyway, a couple people in my comments have got into my comments and said that they feel like Armand is a narcissist. Now, listen, I don't want to go as far as says he's a narcissist because he's still young. You know what I'm saying? He has a narcissistic personality at 25. I don't know what it's going to be in the future, But I'm looking at the person in front of me, and he has a lot of the characteristics of what a narcissist is. And for some reason, this word has been given a negative connotation. But I just think it's just a personality. Everybody's personality can be different. You know what I'm saying? People have different personalities. They just said that this is called a narcissist personality. So listen, Megan said that this is one of the red flags when you're dealing with a person that's a narcissist. Rushing into a relationship, talking about you, my girlfriend, after 3 days, ready to move you in after 5, and calling you their wife after 10. Just listen, because we all know. I don't know what y'all see, but I be feeling like sometimes things do move fast in relationships. And to be honest, in my narcissist relationship, it moved fast just like that. It moved just like that. It was like, come down here, come live with me within a month. So they do. It's called love bombing. That's what they didn't see it. It's called love bombing. So they give you all they love in the beginning. The perfect example of a narcissist personality is Safari and Erica. Remember how Safari was pursuing Erica, pursuing her. She wasn't really for it. And then all of a sudden she fell for it. And then when he married her, it was like he didn't find no interest in her no more. It was like the chase was over with. I married her. I got the woman I wanted. I'm bored. Or he didn't like her personality, which my thing is, you didn't like that before. But okay, whatever. So those type of men have narcissistic personality. So that was one of the red flags. The next red flag Megan has said is, that's called, okay, the next thing she said is love bombing. They figure out what you want and give you a lot of it, whether it be gifts or time. REGINAE told Armand what she wanted from him or from a relationship early on. And let's be honest. Let's just be honest here. If y'all ain't got thick skin, don't listen to this video. He has done everything REGINAE has said that she wanted to be done within 6 months. Within 6 months, Armand has fulfilled all REGINAE's dreams. All he needed was money. He had that. So if you got money, that's half the battle. You see what I'm saying? So he listened to what REGINAE wanted, and he has fulfilled all her dreams within 6 months. Okay. The next thing Megan say is they always want attention. They overwhelm you with it to make sure you think they really applying pressure when it's really all a game. So a narcissistic personality, they want attention. They always want attention from you. Whatever you doing, stop what you're doing and give me some attention. Check. 1 is check. 2 is check. 3 is check. All right. Now, the next thing she going to say is somebody with a narcissistic personality, which again, one of the guys I was dating, he's still checking off all of these. He did all these. The next one she say is they talk so much shit about their exes. It makes you think that their ex was crazy and the one, hold on. Okay, it makes you think that their ex was crazy and was the problem and the ex cheated on them, etc. So, let's just be honest. Armand has not publicly came out and trashed Essie. I've never seen him bash her, trash her. That's his baby mama. I do respect that about him. He might be telling REGINAE stuff. We don't know. We don't know what he's saying to REGINAE about Essie, but he has not publicly came out and bashed Essie on nothing, and I applaud him for that, because my thing is, it don't need to go that far. Their relationship didn't work. It's over with. Now it's time to co-parent, and that's where it should go. So I'm glad that he don't do that, but most of the time, they bash their ex. So they sit up and they say, my ex did this, my ex did that. So we gonna say no check for that one for Armon, okay? The next one. They try to keep you away from family. They usually hate all of your friends and or family and want you all to themselves. 2 weeks ago, or about a week ago, Rain and Toya got on the live and said they haven't seen REGINAE. Period. They haven't seen her where she at. Come visit us. Yeah. Check for Armon. The next thing. Okay. The next thing she say is they don't have a lot of friends. Their friends are usually their family or no one doing better than them unless they can benefit from them. Check. I'm just going to say check. I'm just going to say check. You make your own decisions about that. Again, I'm just going to say check. Okay. This one, I'm just going to say check too, because at this point, REGINAE is in her love bombing stage. So he did this with somebody. Okay, I'm just going to be honest. He did this with Amari. When Amari did him wrong, talked to an ex, started talking to other guys, he got up on his social media and he did a smear campaign with Amari. He told everybody what it was, why he did it, and why he was mad. So they said that another one, and he did this in his little rant about Amari. He didn't put out what he did for her, but he basically said he did a lot for her. And this is this is why he getting a check for this one. If they shower you with gifts, which is called love bombing you, it's conditional, and they will expect them in return. If you say no to them, they will guilt trip you hard by using all the things that they have given to you. They either have no boundaries or only a few, but will never respect any of yours. He also did this with Amari. They have an inflated ego. So basically, if you do something, they're gonna let people know that all the stuff you did for them. They gonna let people know about all the stuff you did for them, even though you did it. You think they doing it out of love, but kind of find out is them just doing it to benefit them. Okay, so with Megan's post, if you want to see her post, you can see it on Twitter. Just search her name, Megan James. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna put it up. In this post about her, so you all can read on what I'm saying. All right, how y'all feel about that? If you dating somebody and they check off all, they check. Is he a narcissist? Or does he just have a narcissistic personality? And is it bad? I mean, it's kind of like, it's hard because men and women have different character traits. So to put them in one bag and say that's what they are is kind of hard, but to be honest, they said that if you dating somebody and they check off, if it's 10 traits for a narcissist or 10 red flags for a narcissist and they check out 7 of the 10, then most of the time they are narcissists. That's what they say. So what do y'all think? I know this is about to be a little bit touchy for y'all because they put narcissists in a bad category. Like, it could be bad depending on what went on. Like, for instance, we seeing how the effects of being with Safari has affected Erica. She look like a different person to me. When I seen her on the Love and Hip Hop reunion, she looked like a different person. This is after the divorce. So it can take some effects on her. He love bombed her. He married her, and then he threw her in the garbage. I'm just going to be honest. That's what he did to Erica. He didn't want nothing else to do with her. He didn't like her personality. My thing is, you ain't like it in the beginning. Like, you ain't know what you was dealing with. And the same thing with her. She wanted him to not be self-centered. Like, you didn't know he was a self-centered person? Like, how do y'all not know that? And why did y'all get as far as to marrying each other thinking y'all was going to change each other? But Anyway, let me know what y'all feel about the comments below. Tell me how y'all feel about it. Let me know. I'll meet y'all down there. Let's go. Thank you all for watching. Hecky no, Joe. It's beauty passion, and I'm out.